Hey there! In this video, we're going to show you how to turn off two-step verification on WhatsApp on Android. Two-step verification adds an extra layer of security to your WhatsApp account. But if you want to turn it off, it's easy to do. Here are the steps. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android phone. Step 2. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner to access the menu. Step 3. Select Settings from the menu. Step 4. Tap on Account, and then two-step verification. Step 5. Tap Turn Off. That's it. Your two-step verification is now turned off. It's important to remember that turning off two-step verification on WhatsApp can make your account less secure. If you decide to turn it off, make sure you have a strong and unique password to keep your account safe. Here are a few tips to keep your WhatsApp account secure. 1. Use a strong and unique password. This will help prevent unauthorized access to your account. 2. Don't share your verification code with anyone. WhatsApp will never ask you for your verification code, so if someone asks for it, don't give it to them. 3. Turn on two-step verification. Two-step verification adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it more difficult for someone to hack into your account. 4. Keep your app updated. WhatsApp regularly releases updates that include security fixes, so make sure you're running the latest version of the app. 5. Enable fingerprint lock. If your Android phone has a fingerprint scanner, you can enable fingerprint lock in WhatsApp to add an extra layer of security. And that's all there is to it. Turning off two-step verification on WhatsApp on Android is quick and easy. But make sure you take steps to keep your account secure. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on using WhatsApp and other messaging apps.